Hello teacher, my name is Eduardo Uceda. I am 25 years old. I am from San Jose, Guaviare. I live with my girlfriend and my father in Lahore in Barranca Bermeja. I am industrial electromechanical. I study industrial engineering. My hobby is play Xbox One. My favorite TV show is TNT series and my favorite sport is volleyball. My email is uceda312@hotmail.com. My phone is 3043889661. My Sky is uceda312. They are three people in my family. My mother is Arelis Gomez. She is 43 years old. She is housewife. She is from Guaviare. My mother is very keen. She is tall and she is black hair. My brother is Alonso Uceda. He is 23 years old. He is from Guaviare. My brother works at Clarence Dairy Company. My other brother is Gerardo Smith. He is 15 years old. He is from Guaviare. His dedication study and the life is on your computer watching anime. Thank you. Goodbye.